Hello, I'm Geofrey Delfino, and today I will discuss about Chapter 4, Section 4.3, which is the more discrete probability distribution. So what is discrete probability distribution? According to the internet, a discrete distribution describes the probability of occurrence of each value of the discrete random variable. In this section, there are two objectives. First is how to find probabilities using geometric distribution. And the second one is how to find probabilities using Poisson distribution. So let's talk about geometric distribution. A geometric distribution is also a discrete probability distribution that satisfies the following condition. First is a trial is repeated until a success occurs. Second is the repeated trials are independent of each other. Third, the probability of success P is constant for each trial. Fourth, the random variable x represents the number of the trial in which the first success occurs. The formula of the probability that the first success will occur on trial x is P of x is equal to q to the power of x minus 1 times p, where q is equal to 1 minus p. So let's have this example from Blanco Technology Group. It stated that a study found that the smartphones made by a certain manufacturer had a failure rate of 43%. 4 smartphones made by the manufacturer are selected at random. Find the probability that the fourth smartphone is the first one who have a failure. Given that the failure rate of a certain smartphone manufacturer is 43%, therefore, the success rate is 57%. To calculate the probability, we need to convert the percentage to decimal point. So we come up with P is equal to 0.43 and Q is equal to 0.57, and the number of trial is 4. By using the geometric distribution formula, we need to substitute the given P, Q, and X. So we now have phi of 4 is equal to 0.43 times 0.57 to the power of 4 minus 1. By using the scientific calculator, we come up with the answer of 0.080. So the probability that the fourth smartphone is the first one to have a failure is about 0.080. Like geometric distribution, Poisson distribution is also a discrete probability distribution and satisfies the following conditions. First, the experiment consists of counting the number of times an event, x, occurs in a given interval. The interval can be an interval of time, area, or volume. Second, the probability of the event occurring is the same for each interval. Third, the number of occurrences in one interval is independent of the number of occurrences in other intervals. So the formula that the probability of exactly x occurrences in an interval is P of x is equal to the mean to the power of x times e to the power of negative mean all over x factorial, where e is approximately 2.71818 and the mean number of occurrences. Let's have this example of a Poisson distribution. It stated that the mean number of accidents per month at a certain intersection is 3. What is the probability that in any given month 4 accidents will occur at this intersection? Given that the mean number of accidents per month in a certain intersection is 3, so let's have the value of x is equal to 4 and the mean is equal to 3. By using the Poisson distribution formula, we now have P of 4 is equal to 3 to the power of 4 times E, which is 2.71818 to the power of negative 3 all over 4 factorial. And with the help of the scientific calculator, we come up with the answer of 0.168. So that's all for this presentation about more discrete probability distribution. Thank you and God bless.